Here I am at Jewel Changi Airport, Singapore's latest baby, with my SP friends. Yay! And Huawei's latest P30 Pro smartphone, and we're here to show you the best photo spots in Jewel Changi Airport. Like in many new phones, you will find the Pro Mode function in your camera app, and this will come in very handy when you're trying to nail trickier shots like that of low lighting conditions. So of course there will be a photo mode in the camera, but when I go to Pro, that's where the defining factor is, because I can adjust the ISO, right, and then my photo becomes brighter and brighter, and I can even change the shutter speed. So let's say I make it come down for a bit, then it becomes darker. There's also my exposure, which I can just change with the swipe of the screen, and there's also auto and manual focus. Pretty decent if you'd ask me. So simply, by having this Pro Mode function, I can decide exactly how I want my photo to turn out instead of just leaving it all to one photo mode. Do you often have problems with blurry shots because of those trembling hands? Well, here's a tip that could be really useful for you to stabilize those hands and get the perfect shot. We are here now at the foot of the majestic waterfall at B2. So what you do very naturally is use your master hand and whip out your phone with one hand, and that is where the problem lies, because normally when we just use one hand, it's not so stable, so of course your shots won't be that perfect. Whip out the other hand to stabilize the camera and rest both elbows against your ribcage. So once you've got those hands tucked in and utilize the positions that I've just taught you, you're well on your way to getting better shots. Thankfully, the Huawei P30 Pro that I'm using right now has decent optical stabilization that allows me to capture the perfect shots even without ultra stable hands. We're now here at level 4 of Lobby F of Jewel Changi Airport, and at this very spot, the rain vortex is pictured in its full glory, so we are all in awe. What I'm going to try to do now is to do this rain vortex justice by snapping a photo on my P30 Pro. So I'm going to open up my camera app and landscape it so that I capture more of its glory in one frame. I can choose to widen this shot. Amazing stuff. And okay, right now I want to make it as mystical as possible. So maybe I will try to adjust my shutter speed. Okay, you know what? At 1/4 is great. Low lighting shot. So of course low shutter speed, but my ISO can also make up for it. So okay, perhaps we can keep it to 400. And right now I will just go ahead and snap a shot. And okay, basically this is what I get. Pretty decent, right? We're now at the level 5 concourse where there's a huge open space for a jump shot. When you're trying to film fast moving objects, it's better if you have a high shutter speed. And the P30 Pro is perfect for that. Okay, so first of all, I will have to open up my camera app. And right here, I will adjust my ISO to, let's say, 5000. Okay. And then I'll go to my shutter speed and I will make it 1:320. Alright, so now that it looks good, I will get my subjects in place. Alright guys, we are ready to take the shot. 3, 2, 1, jump! Alright. So wow, right now I have all of them elevated above the ground and it seems like a very decent jump shot. See, it's like not bad, right?
Not bad.
Yeah, wow, all of you finally got your legs off the ground. Together! So this tip is very literal. Let's say I was going to shoot a video for my friends and I am standing quite far away from them, so being the lazy guy that I am, I will just zoom in and try to get a better video of them. But of course, the sound quality and the picture quality won't be as good as if I were to just walk closer to my subjects, frame them up nicely, and then go ahead and take the shot. And so that's how you get a better video. Basically, walk closer to your subjects, frame them up nicely, and shoot away. Simple. Here I am with Hannah and KG, and we were going to review the photos that we have taken just now during the photo walk. So KG will have used the iPhone XS to take all his photos. Mine would be in the center, taken with the Huawei P30 Pro, and Hannah's would be on the right, taken with the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now we'll go on to review the first photo with Hannah as the subject. Wow, okay. It's not bad on 3 photos. What do you think of yours?
I think the iPhone XS displays the detail really sharp. Like at the bottom right, you can see the splatter of the water.
It's pretty evident on ours as well. But I think for ours, it really brings out the subject.
Yeah.
But mine really does it very well. Mine, as in the P30 Pro, brings out the subject very well in your picture.
Compared to the S10, it's sharper. Like you see the water in the
definitely.
back. Like it feels like it's been taken with faster shutter count.
Right.
It's sharper.
Yeah.
And the colours are brighter as well.
So I don't know, like overall verdict, I still go with mine, man. I think mine takes the best photos.
Yeah, I'll go with that too.
Sweet, next photo. Alright, so I think in terms of picture quality wise, mine taken with the P30 Pro is the best one so far. Like if we had to put one on Instagram, which one will you pick?
I'll pick the P30.
The P30
Pro.
Yeah,
Exactly, it
beautiful.
wins
So sharp.
hands down. Here I am with Wesley and Tara. Wesley on my right will be showing you the photos taken with the iPhone XS, and Tara, Samsung Galaxy S10, mine P30 Pro in the middle. Alright, let's get to it. Wesley, what do you think of your shots?
Alright, what I think about the iPhone shot and as compared to the rest, the color is also duller. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I think that the iPhone shot, the color is a bit dull, like it was a bit dark.
Yeah, it definitely pales in comparison to the shots taken on the Android phones.
Yeah. And I think for the S10, the color is a bit washed out as compared to the other two phones.
Definitely. Yeah, the colors on the P30 are so much more vibrant. Alright, so now we've come to our final shot. This is the jump shot of both of them inside. What do you think, Tara? Do you like the shot?
I think it's okay, but I prefer the Huawei as compared to the iPhone and the Samsung because
Definitely.
it's a lot more clearer. As you can see, like here it's a bit shaky, and on the iPhone
the
it's
Huawei one you actually got
Yeah.
off the air, right?
like you can actually see our faces in the Huawei.
Tara actually lifted off the air. Capture on the Huawei P30 Pro. And this is because of the Pro mode. Okay, we adjusted the settings and we were able to capture stuff in fast motion. That's why it's so clearly taken even though y'all were jumping and in the air.
You can see all the details and everything.
Yeah, man, wow. The P30, I guess, wins again, right?
Yeah.
Hands down. Yeah, it captures everything in clear detail, whether fast motion or not, and it offers you an exceptionally wide screen, so everything, your background and all the subjects are captured in one frame. Out of all the photo spots, I hope you find one that best suits you, so next time you come to Jewel Changi Airport, you know exactly which spots to go to get the perfect shot. Best still if you come here with your newly purchased Huawei P30 smartphone. If you like what you see, do remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell us more of what you like in the comment section below. Till next time, this is Tag Me Up!